welcome to our channel again, guys. Love having you here. Today we're going to be making potato bake, and for that we have our flour, potatoes, roasted ground geera, salt, baking powder. We're going to be using some garlic, broadleaf thyme, pepper, sugar, margarine, and celery. So we have the other bake recipes up already. We have the regular bake, we have the stuffed bake. Now we're going to give you the potato bake, so you can have baked 3 Sundays in a row, right? So that's all the ingredients we need there, guys. So let's get started. So you see our broadleaf thyme there? Fresh as it gets. Just pick this from the tree. Okay guys, so first thing we're going to peel our potatoes. We have to put these to boil. So we're going to put these to boil right away while we're going to set up the other stuff. So we added a bit of salt to boil the potatoes. So that's a broadleaf thyme, celery, pepper, garlic in there. So our potatoes is still boiling. Should be ready soon. Okay guys, our potatoes are finished boiling, and we're gonna go mash these now. So that's our ground stuff from the mortar. Celery and broadleaf thyme, pepper, garlic. So that's roasted ground geera, cumin. So you want everything to mix in nicely there. So we had added some salt to the potatoes to boil, so we just added just a little bit more. So you're gonna add to taste. You won't have to add a lot more after boiling when you're mashing. Okay guys, so we're gonna mix our dough now. You add some baking powder, some sugar, that's some sugar. A bit of salt. And we're also gonna use some margarine here. Okay guys, so now that our dough is finished kneading, we're gonna cover this and leave it to rest for 15 minutes or so for it to rise. There we go. We'll see you in about 15 minutes. Okay guys, so 15 minutes is up. So she's gonna go put the filling in the bakes now, roll off the bakes. So that's how you fill the balls, guys. With that wonderful potato filling. Okay guys, so we have all our balls rolled off, filled, and we're gonna roll off right now and start it to fry. So this is also one of Mom's specials, potato bake. So that's a big bake here, guys. I think one of this will be okay for me. So that one's done. Looking good. Okay guys, so this is our last bake, potato bake. And that's it, you're done. Okay guys, so we're gonna break into one of the bakes and show you now. One of these delicious potato bakes. They're still a bit hot. So there you go. Oops, it's smoking up. Still warm. So there you go. All that potato goodness in there. And that's it there guys. So if you like this recipe, please remember to give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe. Click the bell icon so you get notifications from us whenever we post a new video. Please share this video as well. And as always, thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.